Good evening and thanks for joining us. The recently opened Amazon building in Cambridge has been at the center of a $13 million dispute. That's how much the region of Waterloo says they accidentally underbilled the builder for development charges. But the Ontario Land Tribunal says the builder doesn't have to come up with the difference. CTV's Krista Simpson joins us now to walk us through the details here. Krista.
Tony, development charges are used to help cover the costs of necessary infrastructure upgrades for new developments. The region says they erroneously gave this project a discounted rate because the developer called it a warehouse, when in reality it was an Amazon fulfillment center. The developer argued with the fee paid and the building permit issued, it was too late to go back and try to charge them the difference.
In July 2022, the developer of a massive building at 140 Old Mill Road near Fountain Street and Highway 401 was billed just over $9 million in development charges. The following month, the builder paid that amount and the first building permit was issued. However, the region says a 60% discount for a warehouse or industrial building was erroneously applied to the development charges, and the bill should have been for $22.8 million instead, a difference of $13.7 million. In documents submitted to the Ontario Land Tribunal, the manager of infrastructure financing for the region says in September 2022, he learned what was charged and questioned why a discounted rate had been applied. Around the same time, he learned from media reports that what was being constructed was a fulfillment center for Amazon, something he says was not specifically identified in the building permit application, and something he says meant the project did not qualify for a discount on development charges, as an Amazon fulfillment center does not meet the region's definition of a warehouse or industrial building. But when the region issued a new bill for the $13.7 million difference, the developer disputed it, ultimately taking the issue to the Ontario Land Tribunal. The developer's lawyer argued the region cannot retroactively apply additional development charges on already approved permits. The region's lawyer said the error happened because the developer did not properly detail what the building was going to be used for. The Land Tribunal ruling in favor of the developer, saying an additional development charge or corrected amount can't be added after a development charge has already been assessed, collected, and certified, and a building permit issued.
In the decision, the Ontario Land Tribunal noted that the region raised concerns that if the developer wasn't required to pay the difference, taxpayers would be left accountable to cover the shortfall. But the tribunal says good public policy demands there be an element of finality to the imposition of development charges. We reached out to the region of Waterloo for comment, but they did not provide an interview today.